my name is Mahira and I'm from Plashed School for Plashed School for Girls in Newham, and I participated in the River Hope project to make the artworks behind me. And we worked with an artist who with sequins to make little pictures which she then digitalized. We also made poems as a class and both individually talking about the river and our reflections of it.
I did a seashell, and the only reason I chose to do seashells because my name's Oceana, and people usually say that my name reminds me of them from the ocean, and so I got the idea of doing a seashell representing my name.
Hello, my name is Gosni. I'm from Royal Knox Academy, and that's my tree. It was inspired by climate change and how deforestation is happening too much, and how we're killing trees a lot. The words I've put is, you whisper in my ear, the end is near, because we need trees to help us live, but a lot of them are being cut down.
Mine is the purple flower. It talks about it to save the world and save the nature for animals and bees, so they could have us food and that.
My name is Mumtahina Rahman. I'm a student at Plashed School, and I did one of the artworks in the banners. What inspired me to do this is the wildlife at Cody Dock.
Hiya, my name's Izzy, Miss Harvey as the kids know me, and I'm from Harris Science Academy, and we had the honour of working with Dowda and Shona on these beautiful pieces of work. Our school sits right along the River Lee, so it was amazing for the kids to sort of get involved with their local environment and learn about it and create art from something that they walk past every single day. We worked with these three here are ours, and they worked with old recycled plastic to create the artwork, and they wrote poetry, which I was blown away by. It was so good to hear sort of their connections with different elements of nature, and also the industrial growth within the area. A main thing they wrote about as well was the loss of nature that's happening in that area. So it was really good to see them hyper aware of what's going on. But we had a fantastic time, and it was so good working with Dowda and Shona.